video, guys. I'm gonna do a short speed test of my XK K170. Yan. So brushless also. Brushless motor, runs on 3.8 volts battery. Okay, I'm recording. So of course, this is a good budget RC helicopter, guys, from XK. So 3.8 volts, okay na, sufficient to run a brushless motor. Nice and budget friendly RC helicopter. Yeah, although it is not that this is not a top quality RC helicopter, because this is just in my opinion a budget RC helicopter, but it's has a brushless motor, which is very nice and very fast, right? So it's blinking, so it's begging for a connection, up down for to connect, right? So I have here, so second rate. Okay, so a bit of a flight lang, flight demo, flight test with some speed test, right? Up, down, out, down and out. Wow, very aggressive, very aggressive RC helicopter. Ooh, hope you can see, guys. Hope you see the RC helicopter. Okay, full stick. Okay, full stick. Full stick, full stick. Oh, fast. Right. Oh, where are you going? Full stick. Right. Full stick. I want a low pass. Low pass hard. It's screaming. Okay. Oh, highest rate, third rate. Oh, too fast. Oh, too fast, too agile. Too agile and very responsive. Medyo a bit of scary. Ooh, a bit scary for the third rate. Okay, hard to do a full stick because yung ano niya, why? Okay, okay, back to second rate. Full stick, decent flight, nice. It's hard to see when it mixed with the green surroundings like trees and coconut trees. Alright. Okay, full stick, forward, full speed, full speed. Nice. Decent speed. But sometimes it's hard to control. Medyo nag-overshoot siya. It's screaming every time I turn it. Yeah, you hear that? It's screaming. I love it. Yun lang, sometimes it overshoots. It's a bit hard to control. Not that hard, but I mean, yung overshoot niya, it's not turning. Hard to turn. It has a extra movement. You know, ooh. Full stick. And by the way, this one has no optical flow, just like the RC era helicopters. No optical flow, only altitude hold. Yeah, that's it.